Still relying on an oil boiler? It's outdated, costly, and inefficient. But there's a smarter way forward. At SumZero Energy Systems, our mission is to lead with transparency, helping families adopt heat pump technology as a true whole-home heating and cooling solution. Here's the reality. When energy starts at the gas wellhead, nearly half is lost in electric generation and another 5% in transmission. But even with those losses, a heat pump makes every unit of energy work harder, turning 47 units of input into 136 units of heat delivered to your home. That's 50% more heat than conventional systems. With a ducted heat pump, you'll enjoy reliable warmth in winter, cool comfort in summer, and lower energy bills, all while reducing your carbon footprint and protecting the future. Say goodbye to oil, say hello to efficiency. At SumZero, we don't just install systems. We help you make the wise choice for today, tomorrow, and generations ahead.